Hello friends, welcome to Coachify, welcome to the Hindu Editorial vocabulary series. I hope the journey is going good. Every day we are increasing our number of words, known number of words, or we are enhancing our knowledge with the words, right? Let's begin. Our first word for today is impetus. Impetus, that is a driving force. एक ऐसा जो चीज़ हमें किसी काम में बनाए रखती है, हम करते रहते हैं, अगर कहीं पे हम इनएक्टिव हो गए तो भी वो फोर्स ऐसा है जो हमें बनाए रखता है उस काम में. दैट कैन बी रिफर्ड एज इम्पिटस विच स्टिमुलेट्स एक्शन एफर्ट और विच गिव्स मोमेंटम टू व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, राइट. It comes from the Latin word impetere, which means to attack or to assail, and the words are impetusively and impetuous. Impetusively means doing something in a very impulsive way, not giving it a thought. Same way, impetus means something which is done in full of impulsiveness, that is not giving any thought about it, just doing it, that is impetuous. And see how it has been used. The teacher's encouragement provided the impetus she needed to succeed. So she was motivated by this. We can also think like impetus can be a motivation also. The discovery of a new planet gave a fresh impetus to space exploration. Okay. Envisaged, our next word is envisaged, which means consider or plan something in advance. कोई चीज़ हमें ऐसा अंदेशा है कि ऐसा हो सकता है, ये हम पहले से हमें लग रहा है, ये हमने प्लान किया है, तो आगे की बात जब हम कर रहे हैं दैट इज एनविसेज्ड. इट कम्स फ्रॉम द लैटिन वर्ड विड मीनिंग सी, देखने की बात. उसी से हमारे वर्ड्स बनते हैं विजनरी. विजनरी कौन? जो आगे की फ्यूचर की बात कर रहा है, विजनरी लीडर हो सकता है, दैट इज visionary. And evidence, again these are the proofs or these are the things, materials by which we can come to a conclusion, that is evidence. हम यूज़ कैसे कर रहे हैं इसको? The company's future was envisaged as one of continued growth and innovation. The science fiction writer envisaged a world where humans coexisted with robots. The next word is abridged. Abridged का मतलब किसी चीज़ को छोटा कर देना, क्योंकि इसका मीनिंग ब्रेविस, वर्ड ब्रेविस से आता है, ये लैटिन वर्ड से, विच मीन शॉर्ट. तो जब किसी चीज़ को छोटा कर रहे हैं उसमें से कुछ पार्ट्स को निकाल के एडिट करके, दैट इज बेसिकली एब्रिज. एंड इसका नाउन फॉर्म हो जाता है एब्रिजमेंट, दैट इज द वर्ब फॉर्म, दिस इज द नाउन फॉर्म, मीनिंग द सेम. एंड द अदर वर्ड इज ब्रेविटी. ब्रेविटी मीन्स समथिंग विच हैज़ बीन मेड कंसाइज. अ कंसाइज प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ समथिंग वुड बी विथ ब्रेविटी. It has been used like she read an abridged version of the novel which was made concise. The dictionary provides abridged definition of many words. Our next word is vitiated. Vitiated means किसी चीज़ को डिफेक्टिव बना देना, किसी चीज़ को स्पॉइल कर देना, इफेक्टिव नहीं रहे ऐसा बना देना, that is vitiate करना. This is basically a verb, vitiated. Spoiled or made ineffective. Now the root word is vitium, which means blemish or defect. Words are vicious, vitiate. Our next word is vitiated. Vitiated का मतलब something which is spoiled, something which has been made defective, that or faulty also, or made ineffective, that is vitiated. It comes from the root word vitium, which means blemish or defect, and the words are vicious and vitiate. Vicious means something which is full of cruelty, something which is full of violence, like an attack, vicious attack. And then vitiate is the verb form, the present and the past tense. The contract was vitiated by a hidden clause. Her anger vitiated any chance of a productive conversation. It was all spoiled. There was no chance of a productive conversation. The next word is conducive. Vitiate इतना नेगेटिव सा वर्ड लग रहा था, एक पॉजिटिव वर्ड, बड़ा सूदिंग सा conducive. Conducive means कोई चीज़ को फेवरेबल करने के लिए कुछ हेल्प कर रहा है, that becomes conducive. An environment can be conducive. See how it says, it produces something good or desirable, meaning to lead or conduct. The words can be deduced. After discussions and after so many informations, you reach to something, that is deducing something out of it. And aqueduct is a duct which leads the water, which carries the water or which leads the water to some place. It can be used like a healthy diet and regular exercise are conducive to a long life. They are favorable for a long life. The peaceful atmosphere was conducive to productive negotiations. Definitely it would be productive. The next word is collegiality. हम कलीग्स की बात करते हैं. कलीग्स कौन होते हैं? जो हमारे साथ में काम करते हैं, मे बी इन अ प्रोफेशन और इन अ बिजनेस एंड ऑल दैट, दैट इज रिफर्स टू अ कलीग. एंड जो फ्रेंडली कोऑपरेशन होगा कलीग्स के बीच में, दैट वुड बी रिफर्ड एज कलीजियलिटी, विच विल रियली बी हेल्पफुल इन प्रोडक्टिव वर्क्स. द वर्ड रूट इज कलीग, विच मीन्स कलीग, एंड collegiate is definitely a person who is working together with him. And the new dean fostered a climate of collegiality among the faculty. Despite their differences, the researchers maintained a spirit of collegiality. Okay. Our next word is imminent. इमिनेंट बहुत कॉमनली आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, इसका मतलब कोई चीज़ होने वाली है, पूरा अंदेशा है हमें कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है. एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, अगर बाहर बहुत काले घने बादल हैं, सो व्हाट वुड वी कैन से इज द थ्रेट ऑफ हैवी रेन्स इज इमिनेंट, इट इज़ अबाउट टू हैपन. द रूट वर्ड लैटिन विच मीन्स टू प्रोजेक्ट एंड इट सेज दैट कोई चीज़ होने वाली, प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा है पहले से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द वर्ड्स आर एमिनेंट एंड प्रो इमिनेंट. एमिनेंट हम किसके साथ यूज़ करते हैं? एमिनेंट पर्सन हो सकता है, कोई जो आउटस्टैंडिंग है, विच इज़ प्रोजेक्टेड आउट ऑफ इट्स ग्रुप, आउट ऑफ इट्स कैटेगरी, लाइक डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम इज एन एमिनेंट साइंटिस्ट. प्रो इमिनेंट इज समथिंग विच इज़ नियरिंग इन टाइम, विच इज़ अबाउट टू हैपन बट प्रिटी क्लोज टू इट. देयर इज एन इमिनेंट थ्रेट ऑफ रेन, as I said, and her imminent arrival caused a stir of excitement. Our next word is usurpation. असरपेशन बेसिकली एक नाउन की तरह यूज़ कर रहे हैं. इसका मतलब होता है कि किसी चीज़ को ज़बरदस्ती किसी से ले लेना विदाउट एनी लीगल राइट्स, दैट इज़ असरपेशन. ये हमारा नाउन हो गया. असर, दिस इज़ द वर्ब. इस काम को करने का तरीका जो है उसको वर्ब की तरह जब हम यूज़ करेंगे, दैट इज़ असर्प, एंड द पर्सन हु विल असर्प विल बी एन असर्पर. It means to take possession of without a legal claim, and we can say that the general's usurpation of power led to a period of instability. The company feared a hostile takeover through a corporate usurpation. Our next word is searing. Searing का मतलब कोई चीज़ इतनी गर्म है, इतनी ड्राई कि उसके कारण जल जाए. So something that, when something that happens, it would be referred as searing. One thing to notice at this point is इसमें ing लग रहा है. ing generally हम continuous form of the verb में लगाते हैं, but it is not necessary. At times ing किस लिए लगता है? उस word का ही एक form है, उसका ही part है. यहाँ पे searing is referred as an adjective, not as a verb. Sear would be referred as a verb, and seared would be again referred as an adjective, like seared, something has been seared. That means it is into that condition of burnt condition. The searing sun beat down on the desert landscape. The smell of searing meat filled the air as the steaks sizzled on the grill. So it is being used as an adjective. Okay, be careful. Our last word for today is citadel. Citadel word आता है city से related. Civitas, city. So citadel पहले के ज़माने में जो एक सबसे important fortress हुआ करता था किसी भी city का, that was referred as citadel. The words coming from this is citizen and city. I can assume you all know about citizens and city. So let's move ahead. The ancient citadel stood atop a hill overlooking the city. The discovery of the lost citadel provided valuable insights into the city's history. That's all with the list of words. Practice time. Let's see how we can use them today. Imagine a world where knowledge is readily available, but some try to dash its integrity. What are they trying to do? They're trying to spoil its integrity. So vitiate can be the one for this. Some are trying to vitiate its integrity. Throughout history, there have been attempts to dash the truth by controlling information. So by controlling information, that means something is trying to take away something without having the legal right. Remember the word usurp. So throughout history, there have been attempts to usurp the truth by controlling information. Our quest for knowledge can be a daunting journey. Dash questions may arise, leaving us with a burning desire to understand. Burning से related word, searing. What kind of questions may arise? Searing questions may arise, leaving us with a burning desire to understand. Visionaries have always tried to create a society dash to knowledge exploration. Very conducive, very favorable for that. So conducive can be the word here. I guess you understood the context in which we have used these 4 words. And this time you have 6 words for your contextual usage. Try to work on them and drop it in the comment box. That's all in today's session. Have a happy day. Wishing you the very best. Thank you.